So come on the other wing here. This is the off-road section. Alright, so here we're walking. Now I'm in the design and engineering. And then here in this section, got Craig Vetter of Craig Vetter. Alright, and here, going further down here, this is the flat track section. You see some of the flat track full leathers making our way around. Got a 59 Harley, KR 750, BSA, A65, and then last but not least, the classic Harley XR 750. They're still making versions of this today. This is the infamous Honda. One of the first Japanese entrances into the flat track field. Up until their entry in the early 80s, 82, the Harley Davidson and Indian pretty much dominated the flat track racing. Make a way around here. Flip over here. I'm gonna slowly spin here to the right. Got a Yamaha dirt tracker. Again, if you look at these bikes, you can see it's pretty minimalistic. You know, this bike is just designed to go around an oval, and that is it. Not much more. So, little two-stroke engine on there. All right, some little hardware, helmets, steel-plated shoe. So as you're making your way around the track, you're literally in the turn dragging your foot, and a normal boot will wear out. So what you see here is the steel plate toe, or steel plate sole, put on the bottom of your boot to keep your boot from wearing out. But that's literally what you drag around as you're making your way in the corners. Some more examples of, I'll say they're not that old. This is the 70s era. Two-stroke flat trackers. Coming around here, getting into the 90s, and then we're into actually street bikes. So these street bikes, which obviously evolved into, or I should say race bikes that evolved into street bikes. So here's the classic CBR 600 RR. Making way downstairs now to the second floor. Now, because they are cleaning the floors, they've moved a lot of these exhibits out of here. So, just kind of closing down here. So they tell me that normally this is just filled with motorcycles, and I understand after they finish the cleaning, they're going to go ahead and put everything all back. So just doing a little shuffling around here. So I've got a wall-size poster here of Mert Lawwill. Of On Any Sunday fame, and his co-star Malcolm Smith. And Malcolm still has his shop in Southern California. It's out towards it's in the Riverside area. So I've been out there a couple of times, seen Malcolm putzing around there. So it's a great shop too. That's his 1974 Honda. Going over here, and speaking of devil, here's Bruce Brown's celebrating Bruce Brown's On Any Sunday. This is the AMA magazine. It was a cover edition. Cal Rayborn's. So again, this is a step back a little bit. This was when Harley used to do road racing. Yeah, I've got a couple over here. Let's see, this is a Yamaha. Yamaha Trackmaster 750. To race that. And then one right here. Oh, it's Myrtle Lowell's. Okay, it's Myrtle Lowell's 69 KR 750. Pretty sweet.